see how much we struggled in our previous game. We scored we didn't score 80 points against Terra Firma, and so we had to go back and take a look at what we were doing and what we needed to improve. And I thought we saw some positives today, to be able to score better even without one play. So I think that's number one. Our offensive efficiency has to pick up for the playoffs, while at the same time keeping our defensive intensity. I think that's very important. I think our defense is what has carried us through when our offense has been struggling. So we have to maintain that and improve on the offense. One thing is for sure, what got us here will get us to the next level. So we have to now focus on getting to the next level if we want to go deeper.
Thank you, Coach. Ito naman po ay the team played without Ronnie today. Sinabi naman exited early in the first quarter kasi stitch sa kanyang nila. Kaya ano yung responsibility na po sa yung leading your team? What can you say about your teammates stepping up to that level?
Pangalawa, siyempre, nitiwala si Coach sa akin. Even though may mga hindi ako very sa team na make sure na mag-start pa rin sa akin yung offense. Maraming sinasabi sa akin. Yun, so, dahil doon, yung tumaas ng pagkansa ko. And sa mga teammates ko din, yung parents ko din, kasi siya na rin na-build up sa akin. Kaya pala yung magaling yung team. Siyempre, hindi lang naman ito one-man show. Hindi lang naman natang si Calvin, wala si Ronde. Alam mo siya sa akin yung next month ang tayo. So, hindi ko sa team, you're here for a reason. That's why every time may mga injured, may mangyayari, nakasakit na, yung mentality lang the next month. We're all up, everybody in our team is always ready to perform when their team is going. So, yeah.
The floor is now open. The media has any questions.
Congratulations. Finishing Brooklyn committed to record. What's up, kumusta si Ronde and how is he ready for the playoffs?
I think so. If you notice, we already managed these minutes in the last game, but after that game, we decided to completely mess up his ankle. So he should be okay. I think gano'n naman sa playoffs, everyone naman meron nakikita, little bits of, aches and pains here and there. And that's why we wanted to make sure that we're as close to 100% as possible. But hopefully, Ronde should be okay for the playoffs.
It's either Blackwater and sa rest of my work. There are uncertainties, but I'm sure you're preparing for those.
Yeah. So both teams will give us a lot of problems. And Lex may bear go, yung Blackwater may bear field. So both imports are very good. Dequan Jones and George King is very good import as well. So we just have to be as prepared as possible. Take advantage of these next 2 days to prepare a game plan that is going to make us as ready as possible for whoever it is that we face. I've been around this game a long time for me to not have any preference, not to choose anyone, just to make sure that my team, our team is good.
Coach, we have a different format now. Siguro past conferences, voice to make yung mga kalaban mo naman sa with best of 5. So, how important is it to win game 1 and that, or how different will this matchup be from previous playoff encounters?
Well, from the start, we knew that this was going to be the format. And I think my job as the coach was to deliver a team that is as ready and as sharp as possible for this stage of the playoffs. And that was our conversation pre-game for us to retain our edge, for us to continue to be sharp, because that's what it's going to take. you know, that's how we faced this week. We played 3 games this week. We played Tuesday, Thursday, and today, right? So, ganun din ang mangyayari sa playoffs. So hopefully, we are as prepared as can be for. I mean, as coaches, we will never feel fully prepared, but at least to be as prepared as possible as can be for whoever it is.
Uy, describe mo naman kung gano'ng makakapagano ngayon sa playoffs kasi tagal mo na wala. Ngayon, you're coming back din sa quarterfinals ulit. Kumusta yung sure motivated ka pero kumusta yung level of motivation mo after yung nagkaroon ng music?
Motivation ko yung one year na level of siyempre, yung team na nag-struggle. Pero ngayon na ako